Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal environment. Confirm Python 3. 8+, create a project folder, and enable a virtual env. Once done, install a lightweight web framework like Flask or Fast API so you have request routing and templating ready. Create a simple app. Py file and import your framework. This is where Python will handle logic and send data to HTML. Make sure to keep dependencies isolated to avoid conflicts. This prevents version issues later when you run the server locally and connect templates. Now implement the middle steps. Create routes that respond to HTTP GET/POST and render templates. For Flask, use render template with Jinja 2. For Fast API, mount templates and return template response. You pass Python variables into templates so HTML can display dynamic content. This is how logic meets UI. Once your route returns a rendered page, test with sample data. Make sure static files, CSS, JS, are served from a static folder so client assets load alongside generated HTML. Finish by wiring client interactions and launching the server. Start Flask with app. Run debug equals true or run unicorn with reload. If you need dynamic updates without page reloads, create JSON endpoints and use fetch or AJAX from your HTML. Return JSON via JSONify or Fast API's responses. Once running, open the browser to the server address and test flows. If something breaks, check the browser console, backend logs, port conflicts, and confirm the virtual env is activated. These fixes resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.